What are the different types of surds? Surds are classified into types for a better understanding. It is worth noting here that a surd may belong to more than one category at the same time. Surds may belong to one, or more, of the following categories. 1. Simple surds. This category includes surds that contain only one number inside the root. For example, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 10, cubed square root of 21, square root of 40, etc., are all examples of simple surds as they contain only one number inside the root. 2. Pure surds. This category includes only surds obtained when taking the root of a prime number. For example, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 23, square root of 41, etc., are all examples of pure surds as all numbers inside the roots are prime, i.e. divisible only by 1 and themselves. 3. Similar surds. This category includes surds that have common factors. In other words, similar surds must contain the same number inside the root after some operations despite initially they may seem as unrelated. For example, 8 and 18 are similar surds because from the properties of roots we have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. Hence, since both numbers has the same irrational number, square root of 2, as a common factor, they represent similar surds. 4. Mixed surds. This category includes surds that contain numbers that can be expressed as products of rational and irrational numbers, such as those shown in the previous category. Some other examples of numbers that can be expressed as mixed surds include square root of 27, square root of 50, etc. We have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. 5. Compound surds. This category includes the sum or difference of two or more individual surds. For example, square root of 2 plus square root of 3, square root of 7 minus cube square root of 21, etc., are compound surds. 6. Binomial surds. This category includes two or more surds that when added or subtracted give a single surd. Obviously, the original surds must be similar, so that the operations with them be possible. We have encountered a similar situation when adding or subtracting like terms in algebraic expressions. For example, square root of 2 plus square root of 8 is an example of binomial surds because we obtain the following shown on screen. Example. What kind of surds are those given below at the after making all possible operations? A. Cube square root of 128. B. Square root of 12, square root of 27. C. Square root of 32 plus square root of 7. Solution. A. In the original form, the first number represents a simple surd as it contains a single number inside the root. On the other hand, when doing the operations we obtain a mixed surd, we have the following shown on screen. B. In the original form, we have a compound surd, as there is an addition of two individual surds. After making the operations, we first obtain a binomial surd, and eventually a mixed surd. We have the following shown on screen. C. This is an example of compound surds as the component surds are not similar, so that to allow us make operations with them. The only thing we can do is to convert the first component surd, which is a simple surd, into a mixed surd, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.4.2. To continue this tutorial please watch 7.4.3, Properties of Surds. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.